What's up, guys? Try again here, and we are in the car. Well, actually, I am in the car. Selena's grabbing some Red Bulls. We just got off work a couple hours ago. We packed everything up, charged up. I'm heading to Cleveland today. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but your boy just got sponsored by RunCam. Now listen, RunCam is an awesome company. Everybody knows who they are. They make really great products, and I am just beyond stoked and honored to be on the RunCam Freestyle team. So yeah, we are on our way to Cleveland to go fly with the RunCam squad, and I'm gonna vlog it because I got to, right? You guys gotta know what I'm up to, otherwise, why are you watching my videos? I like going new places to fly. I've flown everywhere in my town. Every spot I've hit it. It's so small.
Every spot that you're able to.
That band
yeah.
that drove past over here. And it's close. Like we might be able to like go hit it.
Verb said there's a bando.
Bando. About to look it up right
He said there's a bando, y'all.
I thought we were done with bandos in 2019. What?
We're not done with bandos, girl.
You guys are done with indie bando.
Oh, yep.
Oh. This fucking guy. Yeah, we're gonna go check out this bridge today, though. I'm pretty stoked about it. The drive was not too bad. And then we went to Paradise Island and we got some steak nachos.
They're the best steak nachos.
They were, dude, $9 and worth every penny.
No,
The best nachos I've ever eaten. It was good. And they made her a super strong Long Island iced tea. I did it. We're off to see the bando, the wonderful bando for quads. I always sit at home and just be like,
oh, you're so weird.
we made it. We're here at a little playground spot. Quad's already ripping it in the air. Look at him go. This is dope.
And he's laughing at me for taking over his vlog.
You gotta have more emphasis on the what's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Ow, that hurt. That really hurt. Okay, we're gonna calm down. We're just going to a bridge right now. And hopefully he does good. I have a lot of faith in him in his first pack. We are at the city of... what?
City of Euclid, Ohio.
Okay, that place.
Hillendale Park. And we just checked out a little playground spot, but now we're heading over to the bridge.
Guys, this is a life or death situation. There are holes in the bridge.
Watch the ground.
Okay, we're gonna watch
There's
the ground.
holes in the bridge.
If I
Stop
die,
vlogging.
it's vlogged, so. Oh god.
There's little holes there, there's little holes like that in the middle. Yeah, just make sure there's a camera.
It's dangerous.
Oh no.
It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. Oh my god.
Watch that.
Ryan, this is all you, man. I thought of you when I saw this hole.
Alright, hold on.
That's a really funny thing to say to your friend.
Right.
Oh, dude.
He's Mr. I'm gonna make it happen.
I thought of you when I saw that.
That is so dang. Look, when you don't hit that, look at the wires too.
Love butter. Sip on the Riesling, smoke for the balance. Fuck with the family. Yeah, love butter. Buku. Love butter. Buku. Love butter. Buku. Sip on the Riesling, smoke for the balance. Fuck with the family.
Pulled up in the black coupe, came up off the black top. Came from behind like a back shot. Now I need big G's. Nigga left the caps lock on. Never flip keys, just to picking padlocks. Granny left the matlock on. Man, I know the law. Call first, fam, that's protocol. All over this paper like my pens. And I'm running through these pens like a bowling ball. Look, I don't do the spare. Never choose the dare. Speak the naked truth. Y'all speaking hate into existence. No one's forsaking you. I got the cake, now I bake with no soap throws. Think I'm bipolar, cause I be on both coasts a lot. Is that what that mean? Raising the bar, we don't pole vault a lot. Half of my team got PTSD, man. We ain't gotta speak it. I swear I'm bilingual. We the nigga hands. I don't know sign language. Stand on my 10 toes down, no fainting. When it's real beef, just drop location. If not, my nigga, you ain't gotta stop hating.
I love butter. Buku. Sip on the Riesling, smoke for the balance. Fuck with the family.
Thank you.
What do you have to say to my FPV camera? Are you gonna say anything to my FPV camera?
Do a barrel roll. Really pretty. That bridge is a lot of fun to fly through. I didn't do too much because my goggles were fogging up quite a bit, which is,
Trying to get a shot right now.
I guess, something there's something you know now about the Top Sky Prime 2s. They fog up pretty bad if it's humid out. So we'll see if anything new develops on that front. What about you? Are you sweating?
Really tilted up. No, I'm feeling amazing now. We're in the shade, but the sun is beating down right on him.
Stability when I hit something.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording until we hit up the next place that we go to.
She said it's her vlog now, guys.
It is. Try again who? This is Miss Try Again FPV. Even though I don't really fly like that because I kind of
Look,
suck.
somewhere all three of my fans were like, how's it going, Try Again family? I hope you liked this video. I didn't really film outros. In fact, I didn't really do much like structured vlogging. I kind of just had the camera rolling at a bunch of random times, and Selena helped me film a lot too, so I didn't really do a lot of like welcome and I'll see you tomorrow and all that stuff because I don't know, I'm still new to like traveling and vlogging and all that stuff. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And part 2, we're gonna go to a frisbee golf course, and then Russell and I go to a little playground and have a little fun. Oh, not to mention Selena and I's trip to the aquarium. So make sure you tune in for part 2 of the vlog. I'll probably get that edited out tomorrow. I gotta start cleaning up and getting things ready. We've been gone so much lately with all the traveling and camping and whatnot that yeah, our house is starting to look a little decrepit. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it at any capacity, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button. Get notified when I post more crappy videos to YouTube. And I will see you guys in the next one.
Pulled up in the black coupe, came up off the black top. Came from behind like a back shot. Now I need